Okay, today we are discussing about programming for problem solving, arrays and strings, two-dimensional array. This is the third topic, two-dimensional array. So far, we have discussed the array variable that can store a list of values. There would be in situations where a table of values will have to be stored. For example, number of rows and number of columns. In row-wise data is sales girl 1, sales girl 2, sales girl 3, sales girl 4. These are the rows. And there are three columns: item number 1, item number 2, item number 3. Each rows and column contain some values. For example, integer values 310, 275, 365, like that. Some values are stored in the particular cell. Consider the following data table which shows the value of sales of 3 items by 4 sales girls. The table contains a total of 12 values, 3 in each line. 4 3s are 12. We can think of this table as a matrix consisting of 4 rows and 3 columns. Each row represents the values of sales by a particular sales girl. Each column represents a value of sales of a particular item. In mathematics, we represent a particular value in a matrix by using two subscripts such as V, I, J. Here V denote the entire matrix and Vij refers to the values in the ith row and jth column. For example, in the above table, V23 refers to the value 325. V is the value and 23 is the 2 is the row and 3 is the column. It contains the 325 is the correct value. Declaration of two-dimensional array. C allows us to define such variable items by using two-dimensional array. The table discussed above can be defined in C as V of 4, 3. V of 4, 3. There are 4 rows and 3 columns. Two-dimensional array are declared as follows: data type, array name, row size and column size. Note that unlike most other languages which use one pair of parentheses which commas to separate array sizes, C places each size in its own set of brackets. Initializing two-dimensional array. As like the one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays may be initialized by following their declaration with a list of initial values enclosed in braces. For example, int table of 2 of 3. For example, 2 is the row and 3 is the column. 0 0 0 1 1 1. 0 0 stored in rows, 1 1 columns. Initializes the elements of the first row to 0 and the second row to 1. Initializes is done row by row. The above statement can be equivalently written as int table of 2 of 3 0 0 0 1 1 1. By surrounding the elements of each row by braces. We can also initialize two-dimensional array in the form of a matrix as shown in below. Int table of 2 of 3, first row and second row. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Each row contains, first row contains 0, second row contains 1. First column contains 0 and 1, second column contains 0 and 1, third column also contains 0 and 1. Commas are required after each braces that closes of row except the case of the last row. Okay, this is the example of two-dimensional array. Okay, thank you for watching this video.